Hello, my dear students of class 4. Welcome to my class. I am Sheikh Mirazul Islam, English version, Campus 4. Hope you are doing well. Today, I'm going to take my BGS class on late part of chapter 3, Ethnic Groups of Bangladesh. So, please bring your book and page number 14. Already, we have known about Chakma and Marma. Today, we will know about Shautal and Manipuri and some exercise. Now, we are going to know about Shautal, their lifestyle, clothes, and festivals. The Shautal are another special ethnic group in Bangladesh. They are also different from us. Let us start from the beginning. The Shautal in Bangladesh live in Dinajpur, Rajshahi, Naugaon, Sapainawabganj, Natur, Rangpur, and Bogura district. That means Shautal live in north part of Bangladesh. A vast majority of them live in India. When it belongs to India, Shautal live in both Bangladesh and India part, and they did not change their territory after partition of India. Now their lifestyle. The Shautal have their own language as like Chakma. Rice is their staple food and rice is also their main food. Beside this, they eat fish, meat, vegetables and especially nalita or jute leaves as their native dish. Beside rice, they eat fish, meat, vegetables and their special dish is nalita that is made of jute leaves. Now, farming is their main occupation, or nowadays they work in land for cultivation. They work. They also work in fishing, tea gardens, and cottage industries. They also catch fish, work in tea gardens, and cottage industries for their livings. Now their clothes. Shautal women wear two outer garments above a pansi and below a parhat. That means Shautal women wear two-part dress and upper part is called pansi and lower part of the dress is parhat. Men used to wear dhuti but nowadays now they wear lungi, vest and shirt. Now their festivals. The Shautal love festivals. There are 5 Shautal festivals. Actually, every festival give us pleasure. Like we enjoy on Victory Day, Eid, Puja, and so on. Shautal also like their festivals a lot. Depending on Bangla month, they celebrate their festivals. They celebrate their special 5 festivals. Now, from the beginning, Posh Sohrai festival is celebrated during the harvesting of the main crop. When they collect the crops, they celebrate a festival that is called Sohrai festivals. Then on Magh month, the festival of collecting hay from forest for making house is called Maxim. When they build a new house and for making the new house they collect the straw from the forest at the time it's called the time of celebrating Maxim, Falgun. The festivals of the first day of spring. On the first day of spring, they celebrate their festivals. Now on Ashar month, Erkongsim, its family brings a hen as an offering to the god for sacrificing to the god. For the god, every family bring a hen on this day, and this program, this festival is called Erkongsin. And finally on Bhadra month, Hariyarsim, giving an offering for the crops. On this day, they arrange the feast and they eat together. Now another page, 15. Which of these is a Shautal festival? Sangrein, Hariyarsim, Biju, Lavre. We already known about Shautal's festival. They celebrate 5 special festival. Among them, Hariyarsim is one. So answer is Hariyarsim. Now another page at 16. Now we're going to know about Marma. Sorry, we are going to know about Manipuri. Manipuri word comes from Manipur state of India. The Manipuri live mainly in Sylhet, Moloibazar and Hobbyganj. Most of the Manipuris live in Komalganj of Moloibazar district. That means we can say Manipuris live in Sylhet division. Many also live in Manipur and Assam state in India. The Manipuri from 2 language groups, Bisnupia Manipuri and Moithoi Manipuri. Already we have known about Chakma, Marma, Shaltal, but in for this ethnic group, they have only one language, but Manipuri is a special. They are two languages, and depending on these 2 languages, they are separated in 2 groups. One group is called Bishnupia Manipuri and another one is Moithoi Manipuri. Now their lifestyle. Manipuri's houses are made of bamboo, brick or tin. Uh, we have seen this type of house available, that is made of bamboo, brick or tin. They eat rice, fish and vegetables. Meat is socially prohibited. Manipuri eat rice, fish and vegetables, but meat is strictly prohibited for them. Their favorite food is sincheda, made of vegetable leaves. The Manipuri are mainly farmers and weavers. Manipuri also have a special food that is made of vegetable leaves called sincheda, and they are farmers and weavers. That means they depend on farming and weaving for their livings. Now clothes. Manipuri women wear a lahing, a dress like gagra, an ahing like blouse, and a scarf. The men wear dhuti Punjabi. Now their festivals. The Manipuri have many festivals. They celebrate Rath Jatra, Dol Jatra, Chotra Sankranti, Rash Purnima, etc. They celebrate these festivals all the year round. They enjoy dance and music with musical instrument. Manipuri celebrate many festivals and enjoy they especially enjoy dance and music all year round. On the picture we can see here Manipuri's dance. Now another page at 17. In pairs, write notes about the Manipuri lifestyle under the three headings below. First, house. Their house is made of bamboo, bricks, and tin. Food. They like to eat fish, rice, vegetables. Their work. Farmer and weaver. Now exercise D. Match the words on the right with those on the left. For match these two parts, we can read the right part first. Celebrate 5 festivals is Nappi, it Sinsheda, Pinanhadi. Now try to solve it. A. The Manipuri eat Sinsheda because Sinsheda is a special dish of Manipuri. B. The dress of Chakma women Pinanhadi. C. Each year the Sautals celebrate 5 festivals. D. Unfavorite food of Marma is Nappi. Now exercise MCQ. Number 1. How many ethnic groups are there in Bangladesh? 40, 44, 45, more than 45. Answer: more than 45. Number 2. The Manipuri language groups are 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer: 2. Number 3. Which part of Bangladesh do the Chakma live in? Northwest, northeast, southwest, southeast. Answer: southeast. Number 4. How many lovely festivals do the Marma celebrate each year? 1, 2, 10, 12. Answer: 12. Today's homework: read and understand page 14 to 17 and learn MCQ matching. No more today. See you again with another topics in another class. Till that time, stay home, stay safe. Bye.